99% of the content that you're absorbing on OTT is based on cortisol.
So you're saying what excites you and what makes you nervous is the same. So I read this book called The Diary of a CEO recently, and there was this chapter called "Treat Pressure as a Privilege." So that got me thinking on the concept of eustress, right? So eustress is the stress which is, so there's eustress and distress, right?
Yes.
So eustress is the stress which is good for you, and when you put pressure on it, it makes diamonds for you, right? And distress is the chronic long-term stress which a lot of people face. So I was just thinking, Ki, what is your, like, how do you differentiate between what is eustress and what is distress?
Okay, so funny part about cortisol, जो ना सब लोग नहीं जानते हैं. Okay, हमको लगता है cortisol बड़ी बुरी चीज़ है. And नहीं होनी चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं है. Cortisol is also the curiosity hormone.
Ooh.
Do you know that?
Oh really? Nah, I didn't know that.
99% of the content that you're absorbing on OTT is based on cortisol.
So you're saying what excites you and what makes you nervous is the same thing.
I will tell you. Okay, we'll go a little deeper into this. Have you seen every story? It starts with meet cute, boy meets girl, someone meets someone. You know the characters are like, and you start associating yourself with 5-6 characters दिखाते हैं. तो एक character के साथ you associate. I can totally relate with him, bro. That kind of a vibe you get. Then you are hooked on. फिर उनकी जिंदगियों में इतने टेंशन आने लगते हैं, इतना स्ट्रेस, इतना माय गॉड, एंड यू कैन डैम, यू डोंट एम्पैथाइज विद एनी ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स. कोई बैठ के रोता नहीं है क्या है इसके साथ, क्या ही हो गया. यू लाइक यू नो टू हेल विद इट, आई जस्ट वांट टू नो आगे क्या हो रहा है. सो दैट आगे क्या हो रहा है इज व्हाट, इट्स कॉर्टिसोल.
Oh really?
बिकॉज यू वांट टू कम टू द डोपामाइन हिट ऑफ इट, नो, जहाँ सब मंगल कुशल हो जाता है एंड
Oh,
में.
you want to reach that end?
Yes, exactly. So that is how do you build a climax if there is no cortisol? तुमको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है ये कहाँ जा रही है, कहाँ रेड हो रही है, कहाँ पुलिस. नहीं, मैं बाद में कल देख लूँगा, मैं पढ़ाई करनी है अब तो. ऐसे अगर होता है तो then how will you ever dive deep into
Yeah, for sure.
So oh my god, yeah, that actually makes sense.
Yeah.
all the content, dude, it's all based. And if you see now the अभी है ना हमको सादा like normal suspense से it's not hitting us hard, so now they're bringing brutality, a lot of it.
The Boys.
So that the boys, I've seen the boys, I like the boys.
She's a huge fan of the boys.
Yeah.
Amazing show, guys. Check it out.
In fact, what was that character? His
Butcher.
Butcher.
Love him.
I think this is a
Amazing.
perfect depiction of that. The amount of stress that he goes through and the amount of torture, and then eventually we just want to see Butcher happy
Yes.
because that will give us
Exactly.
that dopamine hit. Just seeing Butcher happy after going through all of that.
All of this.
But none of us like sat and cried for him, dude.
We just waited for Butcher to
Like,
kill Homelander. Finally, just kill Homelander. Come on. But yeah,
exactly.
my god, that makes sense.
Man, but in some cases you do empathize with the character, right?
वो दिन गए.
No, so if I remember when I was watching Neerja, if you have seen the movie, I cried, I bawled my eyes out because when she died. Because
For Jim Sara?
No, for Neerja only. Zimsar was a terrorist, and Neerja is the. So I was like, because
so
when
some-
she,
yes,
because
you
I don't know, I don't know if I related with her or something, but like.
You did. You could not say, like, you could. There must be some strong female role model in your life, to which you connected her hardships to, or her emotions, or her feelings. So something must have gotten triggered, and it is completely normal to empathize. But most of the time, we don't. There are some characters which actually resonate, and they trigger certain emotions inside of us, which are very relatable to us in our own real life. It can be either me or my loved one. And you connect, and then you empathize. But Butcher does not get us personal.
No, but if you take Interstellar, Matthew McConaughey, like the story was amazing. I did want the story to end, but I also wanted Matthew to meet
His daughter.
That's the point. That's what she's proving, right? Matthew went through so much throughout the movie, and we don't really.
We connect with him the moment he meets his daughter.
As soon as he meets his dopamine, when we get the dopamine hit, is that conclusion of
Yeah. So that is one sort of a eustress. Okay. So, but the main part is that eustress has to be there only for a very short period of time. Any kind of stress, you know, you're motivated to do something, and there is just jittery butterflies. You know, in the tummy. You remember the first time I and Rajveer were, you know, even deciding or formalizing this idea that yes,
We
we
should
will
start
actually
this.
do it. There was a lot of butterflies, but that was not anxiety. That was not stress. So that is eustress, which is good, which I hope I could, you know,
Yeah, makes sense.
discriminate, and it's actually good. It actually gets you going, but this side of stress where you are actually burning your system out, that would be regular stress leading to anxiety.